Baked goods are an essential of diets around the world, requiring vast and sophisticated supply chains. From growing and harvesting grain to the milling of flour, through to bakery production, and onward to cold chain storage and logistics. There are opportunities across the value chain to improve the sustainability, reliability, and safety of operations. ABB's motors, drives, and PLCs can help to unlock an exciting range of benefits and opportunities for operators working with baked goods. Blowers and dryers at grain storage facilities are high energy consumers. ABB drives can help to significantly improve the energy efficiency and reliability of mechanized equipment. In flour milling, advanced PLC technology provides the extreme precision needed to ensure consistent end product quality, while explosion-proof motors provide additional safety protection against concentrations of flour or grain dust. In the bakery itself, flexibility is key for production facilities that often handle dozens of different products each day. And timing is everything to ensure that ovens provide consistency and perfection with every bake. ABB's motion control solutions are perfectly suited to the modern bakery, providing precision control over conveyors while improving process efficiency. Reliability is crucial here, and equipment must also be highly robust to withstand high-pressure washdowns and harsh cleaning chemicals to prevent mold and cross-contamination, while also keeping personnel safe from moving equipment. Once products reach the logistics stage, the clock is already ticking. Reliability of conveyors, compressors, and pumps is vital to ensure maximum uptime. ABB has a proven track record of delivering effective solutions right across the value chain, ensuring the sustainability, reliability, and safety of baked goods production processes, from farm to fork.